Assalamu alaikum, my beloved brothers and sisters. Today, in this lesson, spoken English journey, class second. So, class second video, I wanna say something about my English journey. So, when was I learning first time English language? You know, I was no any time to take learn something English, to learn something vocabulary, to learn something anything of English language. Actually, I did not manage time, so when I was working in a day and after completing the task, I manage just half an hour in a day in in the evening time. Many people are gathered and talking to unnecessarily each other, and I was not talking of anyone, and I was not gathered for someone. I used to learn something English language, and mean night time I used to sleep early in the night for wake up early in the morning time. So actually, why I used to sleep early in the night, almost 9 o'clock I would sleep. So if you take sleep early in the night, then you will have to wake up early in the morning and your sleep will be fulfilled. So if you sleep early in the night time, your sleep will be good and your brain will be good, your all organ will be working properly. Therefore, whenever you learn something, your mind catch something easily and you can memorize also, so therefore I used to take sleep early in the night and I used to wake up early in the morning. So after getting wake up, used to I used to wash my hand and I used to ablution and used to perform namaz for fajr prayers, and then I practice. So first time I did not know anything in English grammar, rule and regulation. I did not know anything, a single of vocabulary, and I used to watch a Dadar school channel and I used to watch tens, all 12 tens and anything that is need for communication English language. So so এইভাবেই করে আমি মানে whenever I get free time and whenever my mind is okay, I used to learn something through social media. Actually I and why I would wake up early in the morning, do you know that? Because in the morning time, no sound, no noise, nobody wake up early in the morning time. That time everything will silent, everything remains silent, therefore your mind will be okay and your body parts will be okay and your learning will be okay and your everything, your organs will be okay. And if you want to learn something for daytime, so many people may be gathered, many people may be sound, many people create maybe chaos, many people maybe create something unnecessary thing, abuse and quarrel, so therefore your mind will be not okay and not good. So actually I that I mentioned, so I have no any time to learn something, so that time I did not know manage time for gather and for unnecessarily abusing and unnecessarily talking and gathered, many people are talking to unnecessarily make noise. So therefore I used to learn morning time and I used to learn night time, night evening time. After working, many people were going to take something tea and roam around, and that time I used to practice, I used to learn something for English language, so that's the way I learned English language. So now I am learning, still I am learning until I die. So দিস ভিডিও, আজকের এই ভিডিওটা এই পর্যন্ত। সো দেখা হতে চলেছে আপনাদের সামনে মানে তৃতীয় ইংলিশ ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ মাই লার্নিং। সো টেক কেয়ার অফ ইউর সেলফ, বাই।